Okay. Summer starts now. Uy! Uy!
Uy, excuse me.
Uy! Yay, ice cream!
Sige, kamulay ko ha, dili hugaw.
Yay, ice cream! Ice cream, guys. Ito na nga flavor ko yan.
Oh, lami na siya. Apa lang ta kay.
Mangga.
Oh, apa lang.
Mangga?
Apa lang. Ano man eh? Lami ang mga.
Yay! Ice cream kay. Init kayo ang the ice cream is.
Lagi kay init, manggod.
So yeah, I've finished our tour here at the Bungees Cove and it's a big place. Daghan kasi accommodations from group to lovers to sagun sa nga type din sa asa nga view. So na sea view ganiya as you can see, and then naapoy villa nga naami ang stayhan for tonight, and maligo na ta kay igang kayo. It's so humid here because of the the weather. So let's go. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. And bawal maligo nga naa akong camera. Then bawal sad maligo kung wala pay sunscreen kung sa tong buhok dira. Grabe ka init, guys. So hadlok ta mo itong sa muta kalagom di na ta makita. We belong to the #darkmatter. So karon mag-apply taog sunscreen from 7 cents. Saan mo na mag-apply? Itong bil-bil diha. Okay, kalimtan kay basig puti na puti itong kuan, itong lawas, pero itong naong kay lagong kayo. Then ang liog saan na lang maligo na ta. Maligo na ta in 3, 2, 1. The pool is mine because I'm the only one here swimming, because Chasing Potatoes does not want to swim yet. Later she just wanna take pictures and model. pero pinaghandaan kasi nagkilay. Pero ako I just here swimming. Just keep swimming, just keep swimming. Alright! Bawal lang sad, always happy, share peace and love. So enough with the swimming, and we are heading to Tabogon town or whatever, wherever mag-tour me. Let's go! What's up, guys? So we're here at the hanging bridge here at Tabogon.
Oh my goodness. Uy, pag-shoot.
Ano day mo day?
GoPro. Ato ba na diri?
So mo di ay nga dapat siya anihion kay medyo scary di siya di ay. Hindi siya basta-basta nga hanging bridge. So exciting.
Ano sa Pitas Barangay? Kulba ani eh.
How was it? Warang wala. Warang wala.
Hello.
Uy, JL, tarong JL.
Paganin na muna pa siya mga bata niyo yung.
Go JL.
Okay.
Ngay mga busot lagi.
Dagan.
Ika na sila.
Jump shot.
Jump shot.
No. Anay lang.
Eng. Nagulbaan.
Ampor kung mahulog
Pose.
siya. Okay lang.
Biskot di ba daw?
Aura.
Tunog lang ka. So that's CJ over there walking all over to the hanging broken bridge. Sage! Okay pa ka dira, Sage? Actually, nindot ang content mo. Mag-hook ka. Mag-hook ka eh. Ayaw! Sage! Ingat!
Dapat colored niya
Sage, Action!
No pressure,
Buang! No pressure ka dyan. Naglutang na dyan ka. Ali na diri.
So how was your experience?
Ne.
So on to our next destination, Headless Virgin. Dang! So guys, so we are now heading to our next destination here at Tabogon, going to the Headless Virgin. So we will have to trek for around 30 minutes going there, and then another 30 minutes going back where we left our van. So like and subscribe,
Like and subscribe. Share
peace
fish.
and love.
Share fish.
Let's go.
There goes a sight from my soul.
So we're almost here. Good luck ani pabalik kay kaniha puro may panaog. So it's just easy as 1, 2, 3, but let's see what will happen after we see the Headless Virgin at the actual going up, and you know, going back to the van. It will be difficult because it's more of an uphill, right? Patatas, diba?
Yeah. Ihangat na gani ko.
Paubos.
Kahit pababa.
So how much more
How much?
when we go back to the van? It's like about van. So let's go see and find out the history of the Headless Virgin. Let's go. Share peace and love.
Ang istoryaan ni sa karaan nga nagkuan ni siya nagpadamgo o katong nay gam dugay na kayo kanang gamay pa ko karaan to sentaw na.
So gilis-ilisan na ni sa una pa.
Oh, isilisan mo na sa
Nay
nila.
tigtahi, tigtahi. Sa Damgos si Juan siya
Santa Rosa
Santa
Dilima.
Rosa.
Bapa kuno kay nga babae. Ang nagaman ni tayo diha sa baba ko tong agian ba mga bahay. Ang istorya gila ni kay may mga sakayan bang moagi ka na maglayag ba na muros nga ang karaan kanang na kuha sila na ganyo ba niya ilan ni giputol gikuan ko gikuha na dili ana giputol kay giarsa siya ba dan unong tanan tus baryo kami chapin mo dito dili man siya madaog at magud kayo dili madaog sa asahon dili sa bangi ibalik ta lang ni siya lugar oy usa na kataw nag-ana niya.
So it's getting late, so we have to go back now to the Bunzi's Cove, and let's see how it goes because
And dinner.
dinner. But before dinner, magpagutom sa ta. Kay pasaka naman eh. So, kumustang hanga ka niron? Yes. Let's go.
Grabe. Excited ba?
Para sa vlog. Okay. Ngit-ngit na. Power. Touchdown. You cannot see me.
Hi guys!
Kita. Nada. Okay. Touchdown. We're here again at
Hi!
Bunzi's Cove, and then it's so dark, like literally dark. See the land, where the sky, Mr. C. We're good. The moonlight shine. The moonlight shined over Bunzi's. Does the moonlight shine over Bunzi's? Does the moonlight shine on Bunzi's? Oh, na 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 na. I wonder if my camera can, you know. Okay, so wait sa ha, flashlight sa taka. Okay, instant lighting. So kanang kuan di ay so matulog na lang mi kay ugma adventure time going to Petancillo. Sorry na lang giguba, giduka jud ko promise. Wala energy to vlog ron. Pero sige lang, like and subscribe, share, peace and love, and see you the next tomorrow, and see you the next day. Bye.